In this video, we're going to explore how to plan the component structure for a to-do application. We will focus on planning and creating the component hierarchy. This process involves breaking down the user interface into smaller, manageable pieces, and then organizing these pieces in a way that makes sense for our application. Let's begin with an overview of component planning. First, you need to break down the user interface. Identify distinct user interface elements and define their specific responsibilities within the app. Secondly, establish a component hierarchy, organizing components in a logical parent-child structure to manage data flow and component interactions efficiently. Before diving into the component structure, let's outline the key features of our to-do application. The features that will be implemented are adding new to-do items, displaying a list of todos, marking todos as complete, deleting to-do items, and filtering todos by status. Now let's establish the component hierarchy. At the top level, we have the app component, which serves as the root of our application. The app component will contain three main child components. They are to-do input, to-do list, and to-do filter. Here's a look at the basic structure of the app component using code. The code shows a function named app. Inside this function, there is a return statement where we have a div element with the class name ToDo App. Inside the div, we have the to-do input component, followed by the to-do list component, and finally the to-do filter component. Now let's examine the to-do list component and its structure. The to-do list component acts as a parent component and is responsible for rendering a list of to-do items. Each individual to-do item will be represented by a to-do item component, making it a child component of to-do list. Let's take a closer look at the individual responsibilities of the to-do list and to-do item components. The to-do list component maps through the todos array and renders the to-do item components. On the other hand, the to-do item component displays an individual to-do and handles toggle and delete actions for that particular to-do. Here's the complete component structure for our to-do application. At the top, we have the app component. Below the app component, we have three components: to-do input, to-do list, and to-do filter. Finally, under the to-do list component, we have the to-do item component. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.